So, maganda nga ba mag-save kay Maya? Based on my experience, I would say yes. Maganda kasi, first of all, never pa ako nagkaroon ng issue sa account ko, sa savings account ko. Lahat ng mga transactions ko, okay naman, smooth lahat. Deposits, transfers, payments, online or offline. Wala naman ako naging problema. And ang pinaka gusto ko talaga sa Maya savings ko is yung interest rate. Because as you know, 'di ba, kung Maya user ka, meron tayong control over our savings account. Pwede natin siyang gawing 10% or 15%. So meron lang mga requirements, 'di ba, si Maya na kailangan mong i-meet para makuha mo yung 10% na interest rate or kaya yung 15%. And if you've been a follower of mine, you know na every month talaga ginagawa ko yung boosting. So talagang binu-boost ko yung account ko kaya para instead na 3.5% lang yung interest rate ng savings account ko, maging 10% siya. So I really do that every month para ma-maximize ko yung ganong benefit ni Maya. So, and that's something na nai-enjoy ko talaga. Imagine every month meron kang makukuha na medyo mas malaki than usual. Like last month, I think yung nakuha ko na interest was over 700 pesos. Compare dun sa ibang bangko na hindi nga umaabot ng 20 yung, yung interest. So, ayun, na-enjoy ko talaga siya. Kaya every month, ginagawa ko talaga yung boosting. And if curious kayo about dyan sa boosting, paano mo boost yung interest rate, I have videos kung paano siya ginagawa. So, just check my account. Tapos, ayun. So, yes, overall, I would say na maganda mag-save kay Maya. And I would really recommend it to everyone. And if you want to start saving with Maya for your future, you can always use my code at Stephanie Lanon. Kasi kapag nag-start ka ng saving mo kay Maya, you get 50 pesos, I think, upon registration. So, yeah, feel free to use my code. I'll pin it na lang din sa baba. So, ayun. The answer is 100% yes.